YouTube, we're back in the kitchen with another SteelMade USA Flat Top video. We got some bacon going for tonight's recipe. So, before we get started, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to drop a like. If you're new around here, subscribe with notifications on so you know every time we post a new video. And I got a lot of variety going on my channel, so I made and try to keep everything sorted into nice playlists for you. So if you're here for the cooking, if you're here for the video games, if you're here for the DIY, whatever you're here for, there's an easy way to find it so you don't have to go through all the videos we post. So, with no further ado, let's get cooking. Roll the intro! Alright, as you can see, we got some bacon frying on the flat top. Little insider tip, if you have a brand new flat top, this is a fantastic way to get it nice and seasoned in. Keep it non-stick. We hadn't used it in a little while, a week or so. So I went ahead and cooked the bacon on here, but I'll let you on a little insider tip. I spent 15 years in the food and beverage industry, and out of all the clubs, restaurants, bars, and grills that I worked at, you know how many times I saw a chef or a cook a piece of bacon on a flat top or in a frying pan? Zero. Never. Ever, ever, ever. It's called bacon. It cooks in the oven, not on the frying. Right? So, to save all the splatter and all the mess and all that, you can just cook it right in your oven or in your toaster oven right here on a foil lined sheet or a parchment paper lined sheet. 350, 375 for 10 to 15 minutes depending on how you like it. No mess, no problem. You can just take the drippings, drain it off into your empty Coke or beer can so you can make your sausage biscuits and gravy later on. Way easier way. No splatter all over the stove and everything like that. So about 90% of the time I don't even cook my bacon on a flat top. I do it right in the oven or in toaster oven. Much easier, cleaner, quicker way. But it is absolutely probably the best, most fantastic way to season your flat top. So tonight we're cooking it right there on the flat top. So we'll just have to do a little cleaning later. Alright, let's continue. Tonight's dish is meatloaf sandwich on Texas toast with a side of sweet fries. Things you're going to need is your favorite cheese or a selection or a variety of cheese, some honey, cooking spray, ketchup, your favorite Chipotle flavored Tabasco or hot sauce, last night's meatloaf left over. We have some diced jalapenos, some onions, some green pepper, some baby portobellos, packet of bacon, the sweet fries, and the Texas toast. Alright, now, if you didn't like a certain veggie, you can always substitute it, leave it out. Make it your own, like DDPY says in his workout videos. A couple other things that are going on over here I want to tell you about real quick. It's cold outside, so our honey, our baby bear, is taking a little bath. Reason why is to loosen that honey up. It got hard. We keep it about 60, 65 in the house, and it hardened up. So he's been in a little warm water bath. Do not microwave him or he will turn into Droopy Bear. Also, I'd like to take this time and show this amazing, awesome avocado cooking spray. Alright, avocado oil has a high smoke point, 500, and the ingredients are avocado oil. This stuff is awesome. Picked it up at Costco, got 2 of these for I think around $9-10 bucks. Fantastic. Probably should have bought more because you know how Costco is. You find something you like it, next time you go back they don't have it anymore. But anyway, this stuff is awesome. You can use your regular cam, but check this out. Canola oil, coconut oil, palm oil, soy lectin, dimethyl, silicone. I mean, probably some stuff that you really wouldn't put into your body. Anyway, this stuff's fantastic. It works great. Awesome for cooking on the flat top. Alright, our bacon's all done. I got a nice paper plate and paper towel soaking up some of the grease. Alright, now we have the flat top. There's a bunch of awesome seasoning in there. Okay, so we're going to actually scrape that around a bit with a scraper. I'm going to turn the gas off for now and let this cool down just a little bit. so we can start frying our veggies and stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and scrape all this. So all that bacon just started seasoning and begin to make a nice non-stick surface. And this is a great time to turn your air fryer on. Boink. Alright. And we're going to hit fries. Start. Boom. So that's going to start heating up for the sweet fries, because we're closing in on dinner time here. Also, we're going to preheat our toaster oven because we'll make that Texas toast. I forget what the temperature is, but just read the box or whatever. We're going to start that. Go ahead and get it ready to preheat. There we go. Boom. Alright. We're going to scrape. We'll be back in a second. Our air fryer just finished preheating. I added a little bit of time, just because from experience I know that it needs a little bit more than just the fry setting on time limit. So we're going to go ahead and dump the fries into this basket. It's nice and preheated, and get those started. Then we're going to start frying some vegetables. Boom. Alright. The fries are back in. I'm going to go ahead and fire up the flat top again. I'm going to turn everything to low. Make sure that's on. Alright, cool. So we'll turn everything down to low. Awesome. Now, if you didn't cook your bacon, this would be a great time to spray your flat top. There's plenty of oil and grease on there right now for us, so I'm actually just going to toss the veggies on. Alright, in go the veggies. Alright, that's kind of difficult to do one-handed and film. I broke my tripod literally 30 seconds before I started filming this video, so we're going to have to do one-handed cooking. Alright, sorry for the camera view and everything, but the majority of the vegetables made it onto the flat top. Alright, we're going to do a little splits of our olive oil. Alright, we're going to kind of work everything to the middle back. I like meats kind of up here, meats, anything that really needs cooked a long time, everything else kind of in the middle. If your griddle's been hot for a while, eggs and pancakes and stuff maybe towards the back, because you don't need a lot of super here. If you're doing like a grilled cheese or a French toast, probably move it like middle back. Everything else like meats and veggies and stuff, they do well in the middle. At least that's what the experience that we've found and had. So I'm going to just kind of move these vegetables around, get the olive oil spread out with them, and just let them start sauteing. Alright, the veggies have been going for just a minute. I've stirred them around a few times. They're cooking nicely. I'm going to shake the fries. Sweet fries take a lot longer. Alright, now it's time to add the meat onto the thing. So we're going to grab our leftover meatloaf. We got a couple nice slices here. Add a little bit of your drippings and or your gravy. Kind of mix this together. This is just a little spot of some of the gravy. That is all good flavor right there. So we're going to just add some spoonfuls kind of around. First flip, obviously the meatloaf's already cooked, so we're really just warming it up, heating it up, and getting a nice, crisp on both sides. So we're getting that going. We'll give another shake to the sweet fries. Those are smelling good. Veggies in the back. Real quick, we're gonna make our chipotle ketchup and our honey chipotle ketchup. I got two different bowls here. I'm not gonna add honey for the sandwich, so we're just gonna add some of the chipotle Tabasco to the ketchup there. We're gonna add some chipotle Tabasco to the ketchup here, and then for this one, dipping the sweet fries in, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with the honey. Come on, baby bear, time to perform. Alright, just mix those well. Alright, we're going to take our veggies, move them around one more time. We're going to add them over top of our sandwiches here. Okay, throw a slice or two of your favorite cheese on there. Now, today's cheat day, so we're gonna go ahead and throw all 3 slices of cheese on there. So it's a house full of men. Beer, meat, and cheese is our sins. Alright, so got the cheese on top. Now, find your biggest lid, okay? And what you do, this is just barely big enough. Hold on, I think we can move this. Oh! Block the camera. Man, I need a new tripod and a new camera. Alright, keep these together as far as we can. Close as we can. Squeeze them in there. Alright. Now we're going to take just a teeny little bit of water and kind of outside here. We're going to just hit, you don't want to get on the food. We're going to hit just around it. That's going to start the steam. Throw your lid on. Boom. Melt your cheese. It's better if... Alright, that's been about 30 seconds. Cheese is not quite melted, so we got 3 slices on there. We're going to give it another 30 seconds or so. We're going to... Fries just got done. Texas toast's got a couple more minutes. Gonna go ahead and kill the grill. There's plenty of heat and everything to finish off that cheese. We'll take a little peek real quick again. Oh, melting just nice on there. If you want to warm up your bacon, our bacon's still nice out. You can toss it on there, get it warming up. So do that. Alright, cheese is nice as melted. Texas toast is just about done. Burner's off. Alright, fries are ready to go. As soon as we have some nice firm Texas toast, we'll go ahead and whip these sandwiches out. Alright, cheese is nice as melted. Texas toast is just about done. Burner's off. Alright, fries are ready to go. As soon as we have some nice firm Texas toast, we'll go ahead and whip these sandwiches out. It's about perfect. One side's gonna get bacon, one side's gonna get Chipotle ketchup. Drop the meatloaf on top. Boom, you got a sandwich. Alright, we're gonna do that right now. Boom, Texas toast ready for the meat. Don't forget to salt bae your fries. That guy's an absolute idiot. Time for a plate up. Pictures don't do it justice. Wish you could see it in real person. Smell these flavors. Look at that steam. Look at those layers. Bacon. Alright, it's cheat day. Time to eat. Let's have dinner. Alright, one final flyby. Look at those sandwiches. Oh yeah. Alright, we got a rule around here. I'd eat it again or never again. We'll let you know in the after the credits. So stick around. We're gonna enjoy this food, and we'll see you next time. Short sleeve already ran away before the review, but Badger, would you eat again?
Eat again.
Alright.
A little bit messy.
Little messy. Get your big boy pants on. Alright. We cleaned our plates. Till next time, YouTube, this is Sleeve 1080. See you!
Man, who's gonna clean up this mess?